how to use or how to redeem Sephora gift card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pippin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can use Sephora gift card online. While the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to head into sephora.com on your browser and you want to log into your account. As you can see here, I'm already logged in. Once you're logged in, at the bottom you can see list of options there. You want to tap on your profile name or profile that will show up there. As you can see mine here at the middle bottom. So once you tap on it there, you should be able to see the option here that says account settings. As you can see right here on the screen, you want to tap on it. Once you tap on account settings, you should be able to see the option under account information that says payment and credits at the very bottom. Simply tap on it, and here now you can see gift card balance. Now you can see you'll be able to check your gift card here. So it says to check your current gift card balance, you can enter it. Now once your gift card is activated and you see and there is enough balance, that you make sure that there is enough balance on your gift card, the next time you are going to make a purchase on the checkout, you can use the gift cards option and add in your gift card there and use it. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.